Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Nick, and I'm working on a 2007 Mini Cooper S 1.6 Turbo. I'm gonna show y'all how to do the manual transmission fluid. When you take it to the dealer, they say they gotta remove the subframe and all kinds of crazy stuff, but basically it's super easy. This one takes MTF-LT4 fluid, which I believe is 75-90 weight. I'm going to be using this. Apparently this stuff is really good. So basically you got to make sure that top fill plug will come out first. I already got it loose. A little bit is coming out. And then we got to drain it. Obviously this is pretty easy doing on a lift. Might be harder doing on the ground, but yeah, the fluid looks pretty bad, so well, you can kind of see through it, but it never hurts to change your fluid. Another thing that I don't like, it says lifetime oil, no oil change, which is complete bullcrap. You should never not change your fluids, no matter what. That sticker, that's just horrible. Like, I don't know who decided to put that there, but literally the worst thing you could ever do is think that your fluids are lifetime. So I'm just letting this drain. I'm gonna let it drain for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna fill it back up in that hole there, and it should be good.